Hi guys, you may have noticed that there's a new update in, that we have new ArcoLinux candy icons. There were 4 icons to be fixed. I'll make put the video also online. It's an hour's work to fix all these things, and this morning again a few other hours, so I think we're already at 12 hours plus. My meaning plus on top of the fact that we borrow these guys icons from Candy and from Beautyline. Those developers get all the credits, plus, like I said, me for getting all the icons in order. And the ones we needed to fix is this one, as you see, and that one. And the other one we needed to fix is gonna be this one. That's fixed already. And there was also a Super Shift Enter. This one needed to be fixed as well. So now all of them are fixed. Just need to check out why this one is not. So screen edges and virtual desktops should have been fixed. But this is also a video about Plasma. When it does not respond the way it should be, you should switch the icon theme, or even better, log out, log in and all that. So switch around, go for another theme, and then go back to the theme you want is the tip, or log out, log in, another tip. So let's close this up and check it out again, if it's responding or not. So screen edges and virtual desktops do not respond. They were fixed earlier on and they are not fixed anymore. So what's going on? That's a good question. We go into Home, then Control H. The dot icons is empty. That's cool. Nothing is actually looked up there in Plasma, but in Share there is an icons and it's empty, so that's cool as well. Then I think cache might be in order. There is icon cache here. That I'll delete. Vivaldi system settings, sessions, Plasma stuff that applications need, they put it here. Well, don't see anything about icons anymore. And off we go again, switching icons. So let's do a breeze, apply. Everything is breeze look right. So these are the icons we normally get. But if you want to go back to icons of our own choice, apply. Then we can have a look again here. Was it? No. Workspace here. And then everything is working again. And it's strange, but it's something I got used to over the years. It's just Plasma and that's it, right? So whatever, as long as finally, right, all icons are okay, then we don't touch it anymore. The other one we fixed, I've told you already, but just quick check if it's working. This one has been checked as well, was something black, and now all is in order. Enjoy the new icon theme. Cheers.